Hi friend, this video I show you how to import export Outlook contact. So let's start. For that you want to click home, then click contact, then address book. Here you see how many contacts are now saved on your Outlook. Now I export this contact. For that file, then open and export, then import and export. Here we go export to a file. They click here export to a file. We can select export to a file. Then next comma separate value, then next. Now select contact, then next. Here write in name and browse where you store, or here you export the select OK, finish, next and finish. Our Outlook contact successfully export. Now I delete all of my Outlook contact. Now I import the contact. For that click file, then open and export file, open and export, then import and export. Here import from another program or file. Next comma separate value, select, next. Go to the location where contact is, where contact location, then select contact, the next, then finish. Our Outlook contact successfully now import. Now I check contact address books. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful,